Hello, this is Mary, and I'm so glad you're here in my profile. I am a licensed professional teacher of the English language with over 14 years of experience helping students from all levels become more confident and skilled in English. I'm also TEFL certified, so whether you want to speak more fluently, write more clearly, ace the job interview, or just feel more comfortable using English, I'm here to guide you. What you'll get when you learn with me. First is lessons that fit you. Every session is designed around your goals, your pace, and your learning style. Need grammar help? We'll tackle it. Practicing conversation? Let's talk. Prepping for something specific? I've got you. Second, real world English you can actually use. I focus on practical English, not just textbook stuff. So whether it's business English, daily conversation, or professional writing, you'll gain skills you can apply right away. And third, a safe and supportive space. Learning a new language can feel scary, but with me, it doesn't have to be. I create a fun and relaxed environment where you can make mistakes, ask questions, and grow with confidence. Another is multilingual support. Even though our focus is English, I understand how important it is to connect ideas to your native language. And I'm here to make things as clear and simple as possible. So, if you're ready to boost your English skills, feel more confident, and actually enjoy learning, book a trial lesson with me today. See you!